When considering online engineering education, several factors warrant attention. Accreditation is paramount. Ensure that the online program holds accreditation from a reputable engineering accreditation body, such as ABET, which stands for Accreditation Board for Engineering and Technology. Accreditation ensures the program meets certain quality standards and is recognized by employers and professional organizations. Hands-on learning is another key element. While online coursework provides flexibility, it may not offer the same level of hands-on experience as traditional in-person programs. Consider the school's resources for virtual labs, simulation software, and remote access to equipment. These resources can help bridge the gap between theory and practice. Prerequisites and transferability need careful review. Carefully evaluate the school's credit transfer policy, especially if you have prior work experience or training. Ensure that experience and coursework will count towards the online program. This can save time and money in the long run. Reputation and recognition is a factor to consider. Research the reputation of the online school and its alumni network. Consider whether the degree will be recognized by potential employers in the field. A well-regarded program can increase career prospects. Regarding KW.edu specifically, experience-based credits are offered. KW.edu offers a unique approach by recognizing work and training experience for credit. This can be beneficial for experienced professionals. Accreditation is important, and KW.edu's Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering program is accredited by ABET. Hands-on learning is facilitated, as KW.edu provides a combination of virtual labs and hands-on projects through partner schools and industry collaborations. Transferability is also addressed as KW.edu has partnerships with community colleges and other institutions to facilitate credit transfer. However, it is important to verify the specific transferability of credits with the school. Based on experience as an instrumentation tech, an online Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering program from KW.edu could be a viable option. It is accredited by ABET, recognizes work experience, and provides a combination of online and hands-on learning. However, it is crucial to thoroughly research the school and its transfer policy to ensure that previous experience and credits will be counted. Additionally, consider reaching out to potential employers to inquire about their acceptance of online degrees from KW.edu. This information can help make an informed decision about the program's recognition and marketability. In summary, carefully weigh accreditation, hands-on learning opportunities, credit transfer policies, and the school's reputation before enrolling in any online engineering program. Verifying these details can significantly impact the value and recognition of the degree.